Hello Shopify entrepreneurs and business owners. Welcome back to the channel. I've got an exciting new app to share with you today that's going to take your store to the next level. In today's video, we're diving into Fast Bundle, the ultimate all-in-one solution for driving sales and increasing your average order value on Shopify. I'll guide you through the process of creating multi-option discounts, setting up single product bundles, and running buy X, get Y free promotions, all within one intuitive dashboard. If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level and start driving more conversions, make sure to watch the entire video. Fast Bundle is a powerful and trusted Shopify app, consistently rated 5 stars by store owners and used by over 18,000 active stores. It enables merchants to easily create and manage product bundles, discounts, and special offers directly on their product pages, all without any coding required. Fast Bundle is your all-in-one solution for boosting sales on Shopify. It offers a variety of powerful bundle types, including fixed bundles, volume discounts, mix and match offers, buy X, get Y deals, product add-ons, and frequently bought-together options. It's everything you need, all in one app. Let's get started and install it now to start seeing results. Installing Fast Bundle is quick and easy. It's a fast-loading app that integrates seamlessly with your store. Fast Bundle offers multiple pricing plans to fit your store's needs, and you can start with a 7-day free trial to explore all the features. You can easily check out the details of each plan on their website. If you need help, their customer service is available 24/7 via live support for quick assistance. In this video, I'll walk you through the free version features before upgrading, so you can see exactly what's available. When you're ready, you can upgrade using either credit card or PayPal, whichever payment method you prefer. To get started with creating your bundle, simply navigate to the App section in the left-hand menu of your Shopify dashboard. There, you'll see the Fast Bundle app pop up. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Welcome page, where you can begin setting up your bundles right away. If you're not automatically directed to this page, simply use the chatbot feature to request activation of the bundle, and it will be set up for you in no time. Click on Create Your Bundle to get started. This will take you to a dashboard where you can explore all the powerful bundle types that Fast Bundle has to offer. From fixed product bundles and volume discounts, to mix and match deals, buy X get Y promotions, frequently bought together suggestions, and product add-ons. Each option is designed to help you increase conversions and average order value. Simply choose the package that best fits your needs, then configure the offer and discount you want to run to maximize customer engagement and sales. Let's start with the Buy X, Get Y bundle. First, choose whether this offer applies to all products, a specific collection or group, or just one item, giving you complete flexibility to tailor promotions to your audience. Once you've decided, click to select your X product. This is the item that customers must purchase to unlock the deal. Then, choose the product your customers will receive as a reward. This is known as Product Y. Fast Bundle gives you flexible options for setting this up based on your promotion goals. You can offer the reward completely free, apply a fixed amount discount, a percentage-based discount, or even present it as a free gift with purchase. It's entirely customizable. Whether you're offering a small add-on item like an accessory or sample, or a high-value product to drive bigger purchases, this strategy is incredibly effective. It creates a sense of added value for the customer, encourages larger orders, and helps you move inventory faster. In the Selection Rules section, you can choose how the Y products are offered. You can either allow customers to select one or more Y items from a list, or require them to add all the Y items to qualify for the deal. This gives you full control over how the promotion works for your store. In the Details section, you can fully customize the title and subtitle of your bundle offer. For displaying the bundle on your shop, you have 2 great options. You can choose to show it as an inline block directly on the X Products page, or opt for a pop-up that appears after customers click the Add to Cart button. In the Advanced Settings under Variant Selection, you have the option to enable or disable the ability for customers to choose different variants for each Y item. Simply check the box if you'd like to give them this flexibility, or leave it unchecked if you prefer to keep it more specific. In the Pricing section, you can choose to display the unit price for each Y item, giving your customers full transparency on the cost of the products they're receiving as part of the offer. And In the discount label section, you can customize the text that appears on your product page to clearly highlight the offer. In the active date section, you have full control over when your promotion is available. You can set both the start date and time as well as the end date and time for your offer, ensuring that it's available exactly when you want it to be. This feature is ideal for running limited-time promotions or flash sales, allowing you to create urgency and encourage customers to make a purchase before the deal expires. Whether you're offering a holiday special, a weekend sale, or any other time-sensitive offer, you can easily schedule it to align with your business needs. Once everything is set up, don't forget to save your changes to ensure your offer goes live and is ready for your customers to enjoy. Next, let's take a look at how to create and set up a volume discount. First, choose the layout that best suits your store's design and overall aesthetic. This ensures that the discount display blends seamlessly with your website and provides a smooth shopping experience for your customers. You can apply the volume discount to a specific product, a group of products, or all products in your store. The offer is triggered when the customer meets the quantity requirements for the selected option. Simply select the product or products you want the discount to apply to. With Fast Bundle, you can easily manage multiple discount options within a single bundle. This means you can create different pricing tiers based on quantity, allowing customers to choose the offer that best suits them. For example, you can set up a base option with no discount for buying one item, then add additional options with increasing discounts as the quantity goes up. Each option can have its own title, label, image, and discount settings, giving you full flexibility to design compelling offers that encourage larger purchases and boost your average order value. To encourage customers to buy more and save more, you can set up additional bundle tiers with attractive discounts, like Option 2 and Option 3. For Option 2, set the quantity to 2 and choose percentage discount as the discount type. Enter a 15% discount value, so when customers buy 2 items, they automatically get 10% off. You can customize each bundle tier with a title, label, and badge or custom image to visually highlight the deal and grab your customers' attention. For Option 3, you can easily customize the quantity, discount type, and discount value as well, tailoring each element to fit your promotional strategy. Adjust the quantity to match your offer. Choose the discount type that suits your needs, whether a percentage or fixed amount, and set the discount value accordingly to optimize your pricing and sales goals. If you need more than 3 options, you can easily set additional tiers as well, giving you the flexibility to create multiple offers and discounts based on your store's needs. In the details section, you can add a title to clearly define the offer. The title will appear prominently on the product page, helping customers quickly understand the deal and highlighting the bundle or discount. In advanced settings, you can enable variants, giving customers the flexibility to choose different sizes, colors, or styles for each item in the bundle. The discount label clearly shows the savings, while the pricing section allows you to display prices per item and hide the compare at price to avoid confusion. In the active date section, set the start date and start time to specify when the promotion begins. You can also optionally set an end time to determine when the offer expires, creating urgency for customers to take advantage of the deal. Another option is the bundle gallery. The bundle gallery isn't a bundle type. It's a collection of popular bundle templates that go beyond just fixed bundles. It helps merchants quickly create effective bundles with less effort. Under discount type, select percentage discount to apply a discount, like 10% off. Alternatively, choose free shipping to offer free shipping on orders, providing an extra incentive for customers to buy. In the details section, you have the flexibility to customize how your bundle is displayed. This gives you complete control over how the bundle appears, allowing you to tailor its presentation to enhance the shopping experience and make it more engaging and visually appealing for your customers. In the Show on Included Products page, check this option to display the bundle widget on all included product pages, making it easy for customers to view and purchase the bundle. Customize the discount label and set active dates to control when your bundle offer is visible and how the discount is presented to customers. And set the start date, end date, and time for your offer to control when the bundle is available, creating urgency for limited time promotions. With Fast Bundle, you're not just running promotions, you're building a smarter, more effective sales strategy. You can easily create and manage all types of bundles in one place. Explore the full range of options and start turning browsers into buyers today. Over 18,000 Shopify stores trust Fast Bundle. From well-known industry giants to fast-growing startups, brands across the world rely on Fast Bundle's powerful features to drive sales and increase average order value. Its all-in-one bundling solution helps store owners create smarter offers that convert, whether it's volume discounts, mix-and-match deals, or buy X get Y promotions. If you're ready to turn more visitors into paying customers, click the link in the description below to get started. You'll also unlock an exclusive discount, so there's no better time to boost your store's performance with Fast Bundle. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video. Until then, happy selling.